Good night to all of you. I'm Muhammad Lutfi and welcome to Uni News. Now, let's straight to our headline study. Lack of money management skills can destroy students' life. Money management skills refer on how a student make a plan, budget, and save all of his fund that he got. Fail to master it will result on increment of student stress level. For that, Harith is on location with the details of this study.
Thank you, Luffy. Hello everyone, my name is Harith and today I would like to share with you about the problem that we chose to study on. The topic of the study is how does money management affect student lifestyle, especially student stress level. As we know, students always have a problem when it's about money. So that's why we chose this problem as our problem statement to investigate more about the relationship between the money management and student stress level. Other than that, we chose this problem to show you why the money management is very important to students and how will it affect the student stress level or student educational. That's all from me. I pass back to you, Luffy.
Thank you, Harith. Next, turning to our data analyst, Wan Shakir, for the procedure of this study.
Thank you, Mr. Luffy. My name is Wan Shakir Zakwan bin Sabri and I am a data analyst for this research. Our latest research is the influence of spending different amount of money affecting student stress level. We collected this relatively inaccurate data using Microsoft Word by publishing 15 questions to be answered by each student. Our responses from students will be kept in Excel and categorized as qualitative, for example, student stress level or student depression level, and for the quantitative, which is student monthly spending. This process will form a solid foundation for our study as a proof of statement of money can influence stress level. I think that's all from me. Thank you so much.
Now, let's extend this study by welcoming our statistician Yasmin with her data interpretation.
Hi, my name is Yasmin and I will be the statistician. For today, we will be discussing the statistical measure for central tendency and dispersion for several issues, which are the students' monthly money spending, how often do students feel stressed and fall into depression due to financial burden. First, the mean or the average calculated in the monthly spending aspect stands at 411.9. For stress scala aspects, the mean stands at 5.623, while on depression scala, the mean stands at 4.114. Next, the median, which is the middle value in sorted data obtained for the survey for monthly spending, stress and depression level among the students are found to be at 458.19, 5.447 and 3.912. Ultimately, the standard deviations found to be at 154.4 in monthly spending aspects, 2.237 in stress-feeling aspect, and 2.52 in depression aspects.
Thank you, Yasmin. Now, let's hear from graphic specialist Darcy for more clear exposure.
Hi, my name is Darcy. I'm a graphic specialist. Today, I'm going to visualize our data into graphics to make it more easier and clear to understand. First, I will focus on two main variables, which are the student's monthly spend and the stress level. I will use three types of graph to analyze our data. First is histogram. Histogram is a bar chart graph that shows the frequency of each classes. Next is frequency polygon. It shows the frequency of the midpoint of each classes. And last is OGIF. OGIF shows the cumulative frequency. So now I will analyze the data. Based on the monthly spending, histograms, frequency, and OGIF, it shows that 23 students out of 57 responses spend more than 500 ringgit in a month. Next, based on the stress level graphs, it shows that 19 students out of 57 responses feel 3.5 to 5.5 stress level in their daily life. It indicates a high stress level. Thank you.
Next, let's welcome the scientist Shakir to explain on how fund management will affect on students' health.
Thank you, Luffy. My name is Shakir and I will talk about scientific or health implication of bad money management to one's health. First of all, bad financial management will lead to financial strain that causes people to stress out about their earnings. Example of bad financial management we commonly see are unsettled debt, unexpected expenses, and inflation, and many more. The stress will release hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline that can cause a long-term health problem. Commonly, we can see is high blood pressure and cardiovascular disease. This can also lead to mental health problems such as anxiety, depression, and sleep disorders.
Thanks, Shakir. Now, let's move on how bad money management will affect the industry in Malaysia. For that, please welcome the expert Najmi.
Thank you, Luffy. I will discuss how the findings on money management system and stress are significant for the field of engineering and computer science. For engineers, this finding can guide the design of user-friendly financial management system and improve human-machine interface to reduce stress. Additionally, they can help develop better workplace stress management tools. For computer science, the data can be used to create predictive algorithms for financial stress, personalized financial management system, and mental health application that offer tailored intervention. In summary, insight into financial behavior and stress can drive innovation that enhance tool and system, improving overall well-being.
Thank you, Najmi. Next, for additional data findings, please welcome the analyst Adli.
Okay, thank you, Lutfi. My name is Adli and I'm Public Opinion Analyst. Today I will be sharing insight from our research on the relationship between money management and student stress level. For the first key finding, which is spending and saving, our analysts revealed that most students spend between RM500 and RM600 monthly, covering education fees, food, transportation, and healthcare. This significant expenditure indicates a potential source of stress. So, for the next key finding is stress level. Regarding stress level, 32 students report feeling overwhelmed by academic demands and 39 students felt stressed by assignment. Despite this pressure, 52 students indicate they had sufficient pocket money. Interestingly, 38 students who had higher monthly expenses reported experiencing stress more than 5 times in their life, suggesting a link between higher expenditure and increased stress.
Let's delve into ways that students can manage their financial. First and foremost, having proper budgeting is the basic to having more control of your financial. This helps students from overspending and differs between their needs and wants. Next, students should inculcate a habit of saving, as this goes a long way. A simple act as saving 1 ringgit per day can help to become emergency fund for future purposes. Last but not least, students should utilize their student card to the maximum. They should look for businesses that offer student discount. This includes restaurants, boutiques, entertainment, and also public transport.
Thank you to Avni for the recommendation. In conclusion, we can see that the student that spend more money will end with the life full of stress. So it was a big responsibility for the student to learn from the mistake and start to be a good manager of their fund. That's all from us today. Have a good day.